Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import your contact list. Normally your contact list might look something like this, where you have a name, email address and additional data like address or telephone number, etc. The system only uses two columns, firstly being the first column name, second column email address. All these other columns with data you can simply remove by selecting the columns, right click and delete. Alright, now you're left with your two columns. Let's change the headings. This will be done in the first cell of each column. The first one will be recip name. Second one will be recip email. Alright, you'll see this example here, it's only got one name and the others are blank. That's completely fine if you don't have a name. Later on you can specify a default name. Even if you have no names, you still require this column, this name column. Alright, so once that is done, you can click on File, go to Save As, click on Browse to select the appropriate folder to save your list. Okay, then once you've specified your file name, you'll see there's a Save As tab, so you need to save it as a CSV file. There's more than one type of CSV format, so you need to select the one that says CSV and in brackets MS-DOS, so this one over here. Alright, once you hit save, it will prompt you about some features, but you can just click yes to continue. Alright, so once your list is saved to a CSV file, you can log into the system and go to import contact list. Alright, so on the import contact list, you'll see there's a little drop down, but there's nothing at this moment. So you will need to add a group. So click on add. Let's make a test group. And click add. Okay, now you'll see the new group has been added here. So if you want to import under an existing group, so you can just select it from the drop down, or alternatively you just add a new group. Alright, so once you're ready, you just click on File and you go to your folder where you want to select your file and import. Click open. Now the file has been added here. Over here you've got a default contact name field, so this is to enter a default name for all those cells that are blank. So let's make it /madam, or it can be customer or valued client or whatever. So now once it imports, it will populate all those blank name fields. Alright, once you hit import, it will upload and insert or import the contact list. Once it's done, it will show you in red all the number of contacts that were imported and all those that had errors. It will almost always have at least one error that is due to the headings of the columns, but that is perfectly normal. Okay, as you can see here, on row 1 it's not a valid email address, so those are the headings that you specified, but that's completely fine. Number of contacts imported 3. So once you see this message, then you're good to go. So your list has been imported successfully.